Weebu Nation, what the fuck's going on? So apparently, there is a new Iron Maiden song. I didn't realize Iron Maiden was out here releasing. Are they dropping another album? They are apparently, according to they're dropping an album called Senjutsu. Okay. Let's see how they sound. I haven't listened to a lot of newer Maiden. I've listened to a lot of older Maiden, but I haven't listened to a lot of newer Maiden, so I'm not exactly sure how the sound has changed. Not gonna show the video because that will get the video blocked, not just copyrighted. It will get it ultimately blocked. So let's check the video out and let's see what they're talking about. So without further ado, Weebu Nation, let's fucking go. Yeah. I just want it to sound cool. Okay. It's called The Writing on the Wall. I like this video. Like how it looks like a little animated cartoon thing. Parts have a little countryish. It's a little bit. I like how that's starting. It's starting pretty goddamn nice. Okay. Nice build up. Okay. Still sounds really good. Still sounds like powerful. Sounds like it's coming from their nuts. It just they still sound so powerful. Like so much emotion. This video is crazy as fuck, too. Some money was spent on this shit. Oh, look, my ass don't know what it is. He said stone, not wall. I think he said wall first and then stone. Because this video is dope as shit. Damn, if the whole album's gonna sound like this album's gonna be fucking crazy. I might have to drop an album with you. Hold on now, don't make me. Listen, it's too early in the morning for my pee-pee to be hard. Stop. Oh my god, they still sound so fucking good. Still sound so good. Yo, this video is fucking insane. Like, they paid money to get this bitch made. It's animated well, too. Like, really well. It's great. Ronald McDonald? I keep fucking up the lyrics. Damn, this was good. This is pretty goddamn good. It's pretty good. Pretty damn good. I mean, it was pretty damn good. So like, man, that was really good. That was good. That was. I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm surprised because I'll never be surprised by an Iron Maiden song being good. I think I'm more so surprised how well their sound or how much their sound is still similar to the past. Because personally, I feel like Iron Maiden kind of got like a timeless sound, or like over different decades, you can keep kind of that same sound. Obviously you want to mix it up a little bit, but you can generally keep the Iron Maiden sound, and I feel like it'd work in any decade. That doesn't apply to like a lot of bands. Like a lot of bands like have to switch up the style or have to switch up like how they do things because maybe that style they did in the 90s doesn't work in the 2000s, or maybe that song or that style they did in the 80s didn't work in the 90s. But I'm surprised how much this sounds like kind of like older Iron Maiden, in my opinion. Still sounds really good. And the thing about Iron Maiden is the power. Everything is sung so powerfully, everything is played so powerfully that it invokes emotion, which is why I like listening to Iron Maiden. They're just a powerful band. Like, you can tell when they're making music, the shit is coming from the bottom of the nut sacks and it's coming up. So I enjoyed this. I did not realize they were making a new album. So I am actually very excited about that. It comes out September 3rd, which is like less than a month from now. That's not too far. So you guys want it, I'll do an album review of Senjutsu. Just let me know in the comment section. It'd be like the first album review I've done in a very long time. So let me know if you guys want to hear that, and let me know what you guys thought about the song. Are you a fan of this? Did you enjoy it? Did you like it? Did you hate it? I want to know in the comment section below whether you disliked it or liked it. So as always, motherfuckers, I hope you all having a great day, great night, great morning, great weekend, great afternoon. This is being Wiggly. Out.